Which one of these molecules contains more hydrogen atoms? Molecule 1, molecule 2, they have the same, or is there not enough information to solve? Well, we'll say right off the bat that we definitely have enough information, even though they look very bare. So we'll cross this out. Both of these molecules are in what's called bond line notation, which means that all the carbon and hydrogen atoms are implied with a series of jagged and crossing lines rather than chemical symbols. Beyond that, these two hydrocarbons are only composed of C and H because any other atom would need to be expressed with their chemical symbol. For instance, neither molecule has oxygen because it would need its chemical symbol explicitly included in the diagram. Likewise, all of the ends and bends are carbon atoms. This is just molecule 1 that we're looking at because I want you to see how we make the transition from bond line notation to its conventional Lewis structure. Here's molecule 2. Remember, we need to figure out how many hydrogens are in each molecule and compare them. In order to figure out how many hydrogens each molecule has, we must give each carbon as many hydrogens it needs to fulfill its 4-bond requirement. This right here represents one bond, and it belongs to both of these carbons, so we count it towards both accordingly. This top carbon only has 1 bond, and this one here has 3. We determine how many hydrogens each carbon has by taking the number of bonds it needs, 4, and subtracting the number of bonds or sticks it currently has. For example, this carbon right here needs 4 bonds and it has 1 bond, so we're going to give it 3 hydrogens. Here, I've calculated how many hydrogens each respective carbon needs to fulfill its 4-bond requirement. Here are our final Lewis structures, and each CH connection is a single bond because that's all hydrogen is electronically capable of. Count it all up and we get 12 hydrogens for both molecules. So to answer the question, both of our molecules have identical numbers of hydrogen atoms.